If you're anything like me, then you are a busy girly on the go. I wanted to share with you guys my 5-minute face series, sharing with you different ways that you can show different makeup looks within 5 minutes, going on a walk, going to work, going to workouts, going to a date, going to dinner. I want to show you how to amplify your makeup and your skin and your vibe. So today I'm business chic. I'm going for very minimal makeup. That's kind of my go-to, is very clean, natural, effortless look. Keep in mind this will be longer than 5 minutes simply because I'm explaining everything that I'm using. But in a nutshell, this would literally take me 5 minutes. Apply it quickly, but I'll also explain what I'm doing so you understand. Hitting the bottom of the barrel of this, but it's the IRIS&ROMEO Reset Hyaluronic Acid Spray. I always like to start with that because it's a perfect hydrating base and it just refreshes your face. On top of that is the Good Weather Skin SPF because it restores, hydrates, and protects. Use one product that does it all. This is a mineral SPF and you can already see the glow that's going on. It's not sticky, it's not really oily, and it doesn't leave much of a residue. This is a brand new launch to the market, but it's the Lay Skin M.PH foundation. I'm using color light number 8. I'm just gonna use the brush and lightly buff it in. This is literally the best foundation I have ever used. That took me less than 20 seconds. And I realize usually my videos are quite long because I like explaining things, I like talking about things, I like connecting with you guys, I like telling stories throughout, but I feel like I never simplify my routine. Like I'm always showing you the most to get a no makeup look, but you don't need all the products I talk about. I'm using like 10 products in this video, so it's not that many. And even just putting this foundation on the back of my hand, it's so skin-like and it's just so stinking pretty. I also love how feathery this brush is, like so fluffy that it really does buff it into the skin. Color 9N NATASHA DENONA concealer. And then as I let that dry down, we'll go in with my most simple and easy to use bronzer, and this one is a kind of like a bronzer contour duo, and it's from Tower 28 in color Getty. So I'll use my Makeup by Mario brush and just honestly using this to add a little bit of dimension to my skin, but if we're in a rush and we only have 5 minutes, this is what I'm gonna do. Done. My concealer brush from Nikki LaRose and BK Beauty, and then blend it in with my finger on the lids. I freaking love these blushes and the highlight that I got from this. It's from Earth's Cure Peach Rose Blush. So pretty, so pigmented, and it lasts a really, really long time. For ease and timing, I'm gonna use a pressed powder today. This is the KOSAS Cloud Set in color Breezy. I love this powder. And if you're somebody with more oily skin, you can always do a full face set. Since I'm in a rush, we won't even mess with brows. We'll just get them locked in place with my Rare Beauty brow gel. Always, always, always curling my lashes. Opens up your face so much. I love this mascara. It's from YSL and it's a tubing mascara. And it's so quick and easy to use. Bam, done. And a quick lip, also using the Mary Phillips in French Exit. And then her lip Siggy in Tickled Pink. If you have an extra second, of a little bonus I love to do is add some kind of eyeshadow stick because it's so fast and easy. You just throw it on and then wipe it with your finger, and it also locks in any of that concealer and keeps it from creasing. Eye Stylist from Ilia, and this is in shade Venetian. And that completes the look, you guys. Just proving to you that you can do a look in 5 minutes and that you don't need a full hour to get ready. Just throw a little makeup on and you'll feel so much better. Hope this helped you guys. As always, all the products are linked in the description, and I'll see you in the next part of the series.